Hello, my name is Alicia Mitchell and I'm the principal of Archbishop Murphy High School. We are so grateful that you're taking the time to learn more about AMHS. Choosing a high school is no doubt an important family decision. And I want to personally thank you for taking the time to learn about Archbishop Murphy. As you consider Archbishop Murphy, I think it's important to know that there is no such thing as a typical wildcat. Our students come from diverse backgrounds, have a variety of talents, and pursue a wide range of interests. We not only value, but we nurture that diversity. We're a pretty eclectic group, and that's what makes our incredible community thrive. First and foremost, as a private Catholic high school, we are driven by our faith-centered mission, which speaks to our educational ministry. We offer exceptional and rigorous academics, making us a top-performing high school. But we are so much more than test scores or transcripts. We educate kids. And we don't think of our kids in terms of coming to us as perfectly polished or as walking resumes. Our admission statistics, although we have great statistics, we see our kids as unique individuals who come to us with a range of existing talents that they can continue to grow and new talents yet to be discovered. We are here to help them identify and nurture these unique gifts, both existing ones and new ones. And we do an incredible job of that through the power of this community, which is rooted in Catholic values and high-quality academics. As an educator with 20 years of experience working in local top-performing public and private Catholic high schools, I can also tell you with a lot of context and confidence what makes us unique. Our students graduate as Christ-like leaders, not just ready, but eager to transform the world. And this happens not by accident, but because of how we live our mission and put our beliefs into action. We believe highly capable kids can also have a range of unique learning needs. We believe in meeting individual students where they are at and expanding, rather than limiting, their potential through a supportive school environment. And our charism, from the motto of Archbishop Thomas Murphy, "In Christ there is joy and hope," is at the heart of our work. And we really believe that school is a place of joy and hope. Students and their families experience this through our down-to-earth and supportive community. But having experience in 5 other local high-performing public and private high schools, I can also tell you with confidence a few other things that make us very unique. While we offer a wide range of advanced placement or AP classes and college and the high school credit-bearing courses from University of Washington, Matteo Ricci through Seattle University, and even Everett Community College, students can obtain a college transcript through high-level coursework offered right here in their classes. We also have unique program offerings that I invite you to further explore, including our Health Studies program and Business Pathways program. We also offer a wellness and spirituality program where all students engage in learning about how to live healthy and balanced lives. Students can receive support for learning differences through our Academic Resource Center, and social emotional support as well as college advising through our Counseling Center, where students will work with an assigned counselor all 4 years. But we also have a pretty incredible faculty who bring real-life experiences into the classroom. With over 70% of our faculty holding advanced degrees, including master's and doctorates, our teachers also have unique backgrounds. Where else can you find a faculty where you have a former helicopter pilot, a physician, at least 4 teachers who've taught at the college level, former college athletes, a published creative writer, a few talented musicians and singers, 3 lawyers, 10 alumni who've returned to serve on our faculty staff, an ordained deacon, and an Elvis Presley impersonator. And honestly, those were just a few of the first examples that came to mind. We have a range of faculty who are plainly just good role models for our kids. So when you think of AMHS, please know we seek to expand student potential. There's no such thing as a typical wildcat. Our wildcats are encouraged to try new things, and they do go beyond their comfort zones. And they do so because they're in a supportive community where many opportunities are possible. It can be far less intimidating to try something new when class sizes and student-to-teacher ratios are very low. In fact, many of our students participate in co-curricular activities. We help students explore these unique interests. For instance, students can create a new club. A ninth grader a couple years ago started our first ever photography club, which is actually now one of our most popular clubs on campus. Or we have a very talented musician who was in our Wildcat band, a recent graduate, who is also the leader of our robotics team. And we're an environment where you can be an athlete and a scholar. Our teams have won numerous championships and academic awards. So even in these uncertain times, we've been able to provide the certainty of a great high school education with a full range of offerings. AMHS prepares students for their future through individualized attention in a college prep environment. But don't just take it from me. I encourage you to visit us in person and hear from our students and meet our incredible faculty yourself.